Culture trumps everything. Students need to feel loved and respected and heard and seen to be able to be the best and do their best in an educational setting. My name is Luann Wood, and I'm principal of All Saints Catholic School. All Saints Catholic School is pre-K, 4-year-old through 8th grade. We have 2 classes per grade level.
A typical classroom student-to-teacher ratio size here at All Saints is about 1 to 20. It changes the dynamic in the classroom by allowing teachers to have more individual time with students, and smaller classroom sizes allow teachers to be able to direct instruction by individual needs.
We totaled up the educational experience of all of our teachers, and we had 144 years of experience.
The most important thing about theology is not learning facts. But the most important thing is to actually make that relationship happen. And that's not going to be happening unless students are spending time in front of the Blessed Sacrament, if they're praying, if they're learning how to pray the Rosary, or just have them spend time in silence in God's presence.
My favorite subject is theology. Mr. Fosfet, he's a really good teacher. He helps us grow closer to God. We pray, read the Bible.
It's a great school and it has good teachers, and we learn about Jesus, and they always teach us the right things and the right things to do.
I first visited the school when my daughter was 2. I have friends whose kids go to All Saints. When we came here, the way that you enter in, there was security, and that's exactly what I liked. But I looked at a lot of other things as a mother. We just decided that for our family, for our faith, our beliefs, that All Saints was the place that she needed to be.
I know you love your children, and when you are looking for an educational setting for your children, All Saints Catholic School is an outstanding choice.